Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best salmon and pea dog food is probably one of the most sought-after options for pet parents looking to provide their furry companions with a nutritious and delicious meal, especially for those with sensitive stomachs or allergies to common proteins like chicken or beef. This grain-free formula often features high-quality salmon as the primary protein source, packed with omega-3 fatty acids beneficial for skin and coat health, combined with easily digestible peas and other wholesome vegetables and fruits that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber for overall well-being and optimal digestion. Number 5. Jinx grain-free real salmon dog food. Introducing our premium dry dog food, crafted with real salmon, sweet potato, and carrot. It's a nutrient-dense recipe designed for dogs of all life stages and sizes. With real Atlantic salmon as the first ingredient, this food provides high-quality protein. This helps support lean muscle development for your active companion. Enriched with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids from salmon and flaxseed, it nourishes their skin. Get ready for a noticeably softer, shinier coat. This formula includes fiber-rich sweet potatoes, live probiotics, and essential vitamins. It supports a healthy gut, easy digestion, and a robust immune system. Made in the USA with no corn, wheat, soy, fillers, or artificial preservatives. You can trust that every bowl is packed with clean, high-quality nutrition. What we like. This formula is packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids for a healthy coat. It also includes live probiotics for digestive support. If you are looking for a food that promotes a shiny coat and supports gut health, this is a great choice. What people say. My dog has been on this food for 3 months now and his coat is so shiny and soft. He has had no digestive issues since switching to this food. The ingredients are all natural and my dog loves the taste. Number 4. Wellness Simple Limited Ingredient Healthy Weight Adult Dry Dog Food. Introducing a natural, limited ingredient recipe crafted with a single source of protein from salmon. It's expertly balanced with easily digestible carbohydrates, without any extra fillers. This limited ingredient recipe is suitable for dogs with food sensitivities and allergies. It provides optimal calorie levels for a healthy body weight and contains high-quality nutrients for optimal energy. It contains natural prebiotics for a healthy digestive system, glucosamine for strong joints, and taurine for a healthy heart. Plus, omega fatty acids support a healthy coat and skin. This adult dry dog food doesn't contain poultry byproducts, wheat gluten, corn, soy, dairy, eggs, artificial colors, or preservatives. Using only the finest globally sourced ingredients, we prepare each of our diets in our own state-of-the-art facility. Recipes are crafted with wholesome, non-GMO ingredients chosen for their nutritional benefits. What we like. This limited ingredient recipe is designed for dogs with sensitivities. It's chicken-free and contains natural prebiotics for digestive health. If your dog has a sensitive stomach or allergies, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. This salmon and pea dog food is great for dogs with sensitive stomachs. My dog used to have digestive issues, but since switching to this food, his stomach has been much better. The ingredients in this food are high quality. It's packed with real salmon and peas, which are great sources of protein and fiber. My dog loves the taste too. I've been feeding my dog this food for over a year now, and I've seen a noticeable improvement in his coat. It's much shinier and softer than before. Number 3. Solid Gold Sensitive Stomach Salmon Dog Food. Introducing our premium salmon dog food, specially formulated for dogs with sensitive stomachs. It's crafted with easy-to-digest ingredients to promote better gut health and overall well-being. This grain-free and gluten-free kibble is perfect for dogs who need a gentle diet. It supports healthy digestion and skin, making it ideal for all breeds and ages. Each pound is packed with 90 million probiotics to support your dog's digestive system and immune health. It's the perfect solution for dogs experiencing tummy issues. Enriched with superfoods, this formula supports immunity, digestion, and promotes healthy skin and a shiny coat. It's complete nutrition for dogs of all sizes. Our nutrient-rich kibble is loaded with omega-3 and 6 fatty acids from salmon oil. This promotes a healthy skin and coat, alongside essential antioxidants and vitamins. We proudly make this high-quality dog food in the USA using globally sourced ingredients. It's free from artificial preservatives like BHA, BHT, and carrageenan. What we like. This salmon dry dog food is specifically made for sensitive stomachs, featuring 90 million probiotics per pound. It also includes superfoods to support immunity. If your dog struggles with digestive issues, this is the ideal food to consider. What people say. My dog has been eating this food for 3 months now and has had no problems. His coat is shiny and he has a lot of energy. This food has been great for my dog. He has a sensitive stomach and this food has not caused him any issues. I have been using this food for my dog for over a year and he loves it. He is a picky eater and usually turns his nose up at most foods, but he eats this one right up. Number 2. Whole Paws Dog Grain-Free Salmon and Peas Recipe. Experience the difference with real salmon as the primary ingredient. It's a choice you can feel good about for your furry friend. This recipe is completely grain-free, thoughtfully blended with flaxseed, pumpkin, apples, and carrots. It provides wholesome nutrition without the grains. Support your dog's well-being with added pre- and probiotics. These ingredients are included to promote healthy digestion and a happy tummy. Crafted by Whole Foods Market, this is a premium, nutrient-rich formula. It's designed to provide the best for your canine companion. You can trust the quality of the ingredients used. We are committed to providing wholesome food you can rely on for your pet. What we like. This grain-free recipe features real salmon as the #1 ingredient and includes pre- and probiotics for healthy digestion. If you prefer a grain-free diet for your dog and want to support their digestive system, this is a fantastic option. What people say. My dog has been on this food for 2 months and her coat is so much shinier and softer. This food has really helped my dog's digestion. She used to have a lot of gas, but now it's gone. My dog loves the taste of this food. She eats it right up every time. Number 1. Pure Balance Grain-Free Salmon and Pea Recipe Dog Food. Introducing Pure Balance Grain-Free, a delicious salmon and pea recipe for your dog. It's crafted with natural ingredients to provide the nutrition they need. You can feel good about what you're feeding them. This formula contains no artificial flavors, preservatives, or colors. We've left out common fillers like corn, wheat, soy, and grains. This ensures a pure and wholesome meal for your canine companion. Packed with natural ingredients, it also includes essential vitamins and minerals. This supports their overall health and well-being. This is a wholesome dry dog food featuring a savory salmon and green pea recipe. It's the perfect choice for a balanced diet. What we like. This dry dog food is made with natural ingredients and contains no artificial flavors, preservatives, or colors. It is also free from corn, wheat, and soy. If you prioritize natural ingredients and want to avoid artificial additives, this is the perfect choice for your dog. What people say. My dog has a sensitive stomach and this food has been a lifesaver. No more upset tummies. The ingredients are great, and my dog absolutely loves the taste. He gobbles it up every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.